Hi, thanks for coming back. I love it. Welcome to this new slow life. My name's Erin, and I just thought you guys want to see me make one of my bowls. So when I get to my little tiny house, my little apartment on wheels, the first thing I do is I cook everything separately so that I have everything I need for the week. So I cut up a bunch of jalapeños and then I freeze them on a tray, and that goes in to my bowl and it will thaw later when I'm ready to eat it. Same with a little bit of corn. Whatever I have is what I do. And then I made, when I got here, I made garbanzo beans. So I'm going to do a few of those. They're actually marinated. And I do a grain. This is farro. Ready to be done on that. I did these pinto beans. They're delicious. So those are going in. My containers are all hodgepodgey, whatever, like maybe takeout. I just, anything, they're kind of pathetic, but I just reuse stuff. This is sweet potatoes. I'll do that in my air fryer outside. A lot of this is air fryer. I have a tofu that I saute in soy sauce. Just give it a little flavor, a little salt, a little something. And I add that in. I'm winding down, so I try to use everything. Winding down meaning I'm gonna go back to Seattle. Done that. Oh, somebody drove here in a car. I don't, I fly. And so they brought a bunch of my canned goods, and these are pickled jalapeños. I love them. And I'm going to be making more of these when I get home. I have an onion. I use my onion. It's just a whole lot of everything. Napa cabbage. When this salad goes in a bowl, it's kind of mounding, but honestly, it looks massive, but I eat it all and it works. I feel full, but I don't feel like I overate. Okay, what else? Leftover tuna. Yeah, let me do some leftover tuna. We had salad niçoise the other night. And then, what's in here? Egg. More protein. This knife, even my knives aren't fabulous, so we might have to focus on that. Okay. The last of the arugula. Got a mushroom. Okay, so it's not lunchtime yet, but I have everything heaping in my bowl here. And then I do a lime or lemon. This is fresh squeezed lemon. So that's kind of my dressing, but not really. So then what I do is put my lid on my janky container that has tape on the bottom. And then I just have everything, I just shake everything up and I set it on the counter for, I don't know, 30 minutes, an hour, whatever time. Then when I'm ready to eat, I do this is dill. So I found some dill in the cupboard, plain yogurt, little bit of water, and I bet I put in some cider vinegar. And so I don't put the dressing on until right before. Put it on, shake it up, and then deliver it. Deliver it to me. So that's how I make my bowls. And it makes mealtime really quick because I just do it up front. And when I roll into town here, my girlfriends know that my first few hours are just going to be kind of cooking outside and getting all my things together. The other thing that I've done is my beans, my farro, are already done and they're in the freezer. So the next time I know I will have those already. I have some green onions I won't get through, throwing those in the freezer. Pretty much everything goes in the freezer, including any crackers, any chips. All of that just stays fresher. So if there's room, that's where they go. So I just wanted to share how easy it is to prepare ahead and create a fabulous, healthy lunch. So thanks for coming to see me in my new slow life. Ciao for now.